Forest School Film Festival. Once a year, our school holds a film festival that is always a great success. There is always a different theme each year. This year, the theme is robots. There will be over 15 films to choose from. Here are a few of the blockbusters that are showing. WALL-E. WALL-E is a fantastic computer-animated adventure film about a cute robot. It was directed by Andrew Stanton. The story takes place 700 years in the future in a city of skyscrapers made of rubbish. WALL-E is the main character who was designed and built by humans to collect rubbish. And this is what it does day in, day out. It collects rubbish and piles it up to create another skyscraper. However, all the humans have left the planet. They live in huge spaceships that orbit the Earth because it is polluted. So, WALL-E is the only moving thing left on the planet. But one day, he meets a search robot named Eve. She realizes that WALL-E has the solution to the planet's problem and races back to tell the humans. A fantastic journey across the universe begins. And even though it is a children's film, adults will love it too. Terminator Genisys. Terminator Genisys is a thrilling science fiction film. It is about a war between humans and robots. It was directed by Alan Taylor and stars Arnold Schwarzenegger. This film is action-packed and involves time travel. The story moves between the past, the present, and the future. The special effects are amazing, and the actors give brilliant performances. Terminator Genisys is a must-see film for all science fiction fans. X-Men Apocalypse. X-Men Apocalypse is a science fiction film featuring the famous group of superheroes, the X-Men. This time, they have to fight against Apocalypse, a powerful supervillain who wants to destroy mankind. It is their biggest challenge yet. Jennifer Lawrence leads an excellent cast that includes James McAvoy and Michael Fassbender. It has a gripping plot, lots of action, and the sound effects make you feel that you are in the middle of the battle. These were just a few entries in the festival. There are plenty more for you to choose from. So, make sure you come along to our school film festival this year.